So we're going to Europe and playing festivals. How can you not be amped about that? Wakan's been one of our dreams since we started.
They're going to be playing at the biggest metal festival in the world. I'm sure I'll cry when I see them up there, and I'll be freaking out and worried about them.
Heavy metal band makes mum cry.
Yeah.
It's a good headline.
Oh.
Yeah, no, I'm real excited. I think, I mean, I've never been to Europe, but I hear it's a nice place.
Henry and Ethan have never actually been outside the country. I'm not far off that. I've only been to Cairns for about 6 days.
For the 3 months that we were over there, we're playing over 50 shows, and we're just getting ourselves out there, making sure people have heard of us, making sure people think we're fucking good.
It'll be the first time we've spent this much time together. I mean, we've spent like 2 weeks of just doing New Zealand tour. Even after that, I was getting pretty sick of it. They're a whole different dynamic to me, you know?
Like, I'm nervous. One of us is gonna take it too far and get hurt. I'm nervous that we're gonna have a fight and then not be talking to each other when we come back. But you know what? Saying you're not ready for something doesn't mean you shouldn't do it, because in my mind, I don't think you're ever ready for something until you actually do it.